Hey everyone, today we'll be taking a look at my new Tdrforce 540E water pressure pump. It comes with some accessories, so let's take a look at those. We'll get a great user guide manual and a 50 mesh strainer. We'll get an Allen wrench, 2 connectors, and some pipe wrapping tape. So let's take a closer look at the water pump.
This is an automatic inline water pressure booster pump for your home with self-priming functions. The pump transfers fresh water with 110 V AC. It can act as a freshwater washdown pump for boats, marine water pumps, and work for garden hose boosters. This is assembled with a 170 watt power. It provides 5.5 GPM or 330 GPH mass flow. The water booster pump increases water pressure to 5 bar at minimum max lifting height of 160 feet. The 115 volt on-demand water pump can be used as your garden hose pressure booster. It's assembled with a 3/4 inch male inlet outlet and a 1/2 inch male inlet connector. It features a 4.3 foot power cord with standard US plug. The pump can easily be installed in an RV, marina, home, and garden to water hoses. The 50 mesh inlet strainer helps filter impurities in the water. It's just important to note to operate this in fresh water circulating. Solid particles and corrosive liquids may cause damage to the diaphragm pump.